Hello children. So today we are back again and today we are back again with a new topic, that is the land of snow. Okay. So today we are going to discuss about the land of snow, that is Greenland. Okay. So first of all we are going to discuss about the location of Greenland, that the Greenland is located in between of the Arctic Ocean and the North Atlantic Ocean. Okay, and it is the world's largest island. Greenland is the world's largest island. It is covered with snow throughout the year. It is the place which is having too cold climate. Yes. And one more thing, that the capital. What is the capital of Greenland? So you can see on the screen that it is visible. The capital of Greenland is Nuuk. But earlier this Nuuk place was known as the Gorthug. Okay. So right now it is known as the Nuuk, but earlier the capital of Greenland was Gorthug. Okay. Now, the location of Greenland, in this it is clearly mentioned that the Greenland is located between the Arctic Ocean and the North Atlantic Ocean. Okay. Then the climate of Greenland. Most of the Greenland lie in the frigid zone, experiencing very cold climate. You can see in the picture that all of the land is covered with snow, and this place is too cold as it lies in the frigid zone. Next is the vegetation, that what kind of plants are grown in the Greenland. So as this place is totally covered with snow, only the grasses, mosses, lichens and bushes, such type of plants are grown here in Greenland. There are no forest and no crops can be grown here because of the extreme cold climate and the poor soil quality. Okay, so there are no agriculture can be done here, and no crops can be grown here because the land that there is a frozen land and the land is frozen, and in frozen land no agriculture can be done. That's why no crops can be grown here at Greenland. Okay, but some of the plants that are grown here, that are grasses, lichens, mosses, these types of plants are grown, like these bushes types of plants are grown here at this place. Okay. Come on, the wildlife. What type of animals are found in Greenland? So the land mammals found in Greenland are musk, reindeer, polar bear, Arctic wolf and huskies. Okay, so these animals only can survive at this place because as this place is too cool, and these animals have their body covered with fur, so they can only survive here at in very cool climate. See, it is a picture of a polar bear. Polar bear is its body is totally covered with fur. That's why it can survive here in too cold climate. Okay, and you can also see the picture of huskies. Okay, so who are huskies? Now we are going to discuss about huskies. Huskies are the wolf-like dogs who pulled the sledges over there. You can see the wolf-like dogs on the screen who are pulling a sledge. So huskies, यहाँ पे mainly huskies use करे जाते हैं for the transportation. They pull sledges from one place to another. So huskies are the wolf-like dogs who pull sledges from one place to another. Okay. Then come on the life of the people. Now we are going to start with the life of the people. Like what type of life the people are living in at the place in Greenland. So the native people of Greenland are called Eskimos. They are also called Inuits. And who are Eskimos? Eskimos are the native people of Greenland. They are short in height and have a flat face with a narrow eyes. Okay, so these are only called as Eskimos. They are having narrow eyes, they are short in height, and they are also called as Inuits. Okay, and then in what type of houses they are living, as there is too much cold climate. So during the winter season, they live in the temporary houses that are made of ice blocks called igloos. You can see the picture on the screen, the igloos picture. They are living in these types of houses, igloos, that are made from the ice blocks, and at the floor the skin of the animals are there so that it can keep them warm. Okay, so during winter season they are living in these type of houses, but during summer season they are living in different type of houses. Let's see. Yes, when the summer starts, they live in the skin tents called two pigs. So, in this, they are going to live in the summer season, and they are going to live in these types of houses. They are made of the skin of the animals. These are the tent-like houses, and they are known as the two pigs. Okay. Then they are using the boat called kayak, which is used to hunt sea animal, as they also hunt animals, and they use these type of boat that is known as kayak for hunting sea animals. Okay. Now next we are going to discuss the economy of Greenland, means the financial condition, how they are earning their livelihood. So Greenland today is dependent on the fishing and fish exports. Like they hunt sea animals and they are exporting fishes also in other countries, and by selling these fishes and exporting these fishes in other countries, they are earning money. Okay. Then what is the national game of national sports of Greenland? So football is the national sport of Greenland. However, they are not FIFA member yet. Okay, फुटबॉल यहाँ का नेशनल स्पोर्ट है, लेकिन ये लोग फीफा मेंबर अभी तक की नहीं बने हैं. Then clothing of Greenland. People wear clothes made of animal skin and fur. Moreover, their long boots made of seal skin used to keep their feet warm in the snow. वहाँ पे लोग जो है एनिमल स्किन से बनी हुई जैकेट्स, हुड्स वेयर करते हैं, and it keeps them warm, and they are also wearing a boots that are made from seal skin that also keep them warm. Then the last topic is the major cities that are in Greenland. So as we know, as we have already read in the beginning of the chapter only, the capital Nuuk is the biggest town with the population of 17,000. The capital of Greenland is Nuuk, and it is having a population of 17,000 people. Okay, so these are the major cities. Holstenberg, now known as Sisimiut, is the second biggest town. It has a population of about 5,600 people. So two major cities are given here. One is the capital Nuuk, and second is the Sisimiut, that is having the population of 5,600 people nowadays. Okay. So children, we have covered with the topic of Greenland, and if you are having any query, then you can please ask, and we will again meet in the next chapter. Till then, you all keep learning. Okay.